welcome to my LootCrate unboxing. I got this really early this time. Thumbnail! I got this really early this month. I was really surprised. I got a note through my door saying I'd missed a parcel, and I was like, what could that be? And I hadn't ordered anything, and I was baffled. And I thought, it can't be LootCrate because it's way too early in the month to even get it. I was wrong, because I got my LootCrate. So, this month's theme is Kingdom, which I'm really looking forward to, as there should be a Lord of the Rings thing in here. So, here's hoping. Don't know why I keep going so high pitched. I do apologise. I don't know what's got into me. Okay. I might do it where I just don't look. Oh, there's a nice inner pattern. Too late. Too late. I looked. I couldn't help myself. Okay, so let's start with this snazzy pin. That's actually pretty cool. So it's like because the last few has been kind of the pins have been of something like Teenage Mutant Turtles, Bob's Burgers, whereas this one seems to be kind of like a can you see it? Like an original kind of crest, LootCrate crest. So that's pretty cool. Kingdom. Okay, start with a t-shirt because why not? Oh, Zelda. Now I've got nothing against Zelda. I'm just not that big of a fan like some people are. But that's pretty okay. What's going on here? I think it's just like a scene from the game. Oh no, wait. Is that supposed to be him, but as a map? That kind of actually does look like Link, but no, I think this is just one of the areas. No, that totally is Link. I knew it. Like, from far away you can tell that that's supposed to be Link, but as a map from Legend of Zelda. That is pretty epic. I actually quite like that. Yes. I'm excited for that. So, good first item. Then, this one, I'm not too chuffed about, to be honest. It is a Adventure Time, The Nice King and Gunter, the weird thing. I don't watch Adventure Time, so I'm a bit like, oh my god, I can't even get the sticker off. Okay. And it tells you it's an adult collectible and it's not a toy. So, what have we got in the packet? Well, that's sellotaped together, I'm not getting that out, but I think it's hollow. It's hollow. So, there's a nice little. I'm gonna get it out. Just for you. Okay, so we've got this nice, it's quite nice, decent thing. We've got, he's hugging some penguins. I don't really know what's going on there. These friends. So, yeah, it's hollow in the bottom. So, not too heavy. Yeah, it's pretty cool, I guess. Like I said, I don't watch Adventure Time, so it's cool, I guess. Ooh, and the Lord of the Rings item. Now this. It says it is a colour change glass, so I'm pretty excited to see what is on the glass. Please say it's like, you know what's around the ring? And it comes up when it's got cold, done cold in. This little thing. Okay. ready. I feel like really excited right now because I love Lord of the Rings. Oh my god, it is. Okay, so you've got this glass that has the elvish, oh, it's just a bit fluff. The elvish writing that is round, I came prepared, that is round the ring. Obviously it's around my neck, sorry I can't, but yes. The elvish writing that is round the one ring. Ooh, I wonder what changes then. Do you think it like, ooh, does the writing go gold? Ooh, that'd be snazzy. What does it say? Add cold liquid. So I'm guessing, do not microwave. So I'm guessing you put, we'll test this out. We'll get to that. I'm guessing you put cold water in there. You know what? I'm gonna go do it now. Put cold water in. Oh fuck, that was my phone. Whoopsie! I'm guessing you put cold water in and it's gonna change colour. Okay, so it says wash before first use, so I've washed it. Okay, so it's white, it's over. Stole my sister's water because it's cold and my drink isn't, so are you ready? Oh my god, that is so cool! It turns red! I was expecting something different, but oh my god. That is really cool. So, yeah, you put cold drink in and it goes red. Did you see that? Oh my god. That is so cool. Do you have a drink? That's even better coming out my Lord of the Rings glass. Okay, back to it. What else we got in here? Oh, there's another Lord of the Rings thing. What is this? Oh, that is so cool. So it is a print picture of the Ents with Merry and Pippin, I believe, yeah. Going to the Dark Tower. Is it the Dark Tower? Two Tower? Sauron. Tower. Mordor. Mordor? The tower with the eye on the top. Yeah, anyway, so that's that. That's pretty cool. Look at a nice little... Oh, nice to get a photo frame now. Put that in. That's nice, that's nice. Okay, and then we've got the book. Have they stopped doing Secret of the Keys? I would assume they have. Okay. Okay, so all that you see from the fields of Hyrule to the frozen mountains of to the Dark Tower of Isengard. That is it. Is that the Dark Tower? I told you it was the Dark Tower. I don't know. Okay. It's yours to command, but a good ruler should know the land they reign over. So where do you want to go first? So we've got the exclusive Kingdom Crest pin. Hide your princesses, the King of Cool has arrived. So that's the guy. King, Ice King. Semi-loyal pet Gunter and the rest of his penguin guards. I thought that was his, yeah. What a dude, what a dude. And then yes, the t-shirt, 8-bit map tee. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, I love the cup. The glass is amazing. There's some good in this world, Mr. Frodo, and it's worth toasting to. Indeed it is. Art print. We worked with Bottleneck Gallery and artist Matt Ferguson to bring you this exclusive frame-friendly 8-inch by 10-inch print of hobbits, Merry and Pippin riding along Treebeard towards the Dark Tower of Isengard. I told you it was the Dark Tower. I got the name wrong though, I said Ents instead of Treebeard himself, but whatever. song because the scene perfectly captures the dangers and majesty that define J.R.R. Tolkien's fantasy masterpiece. I'm so glad there's 2 Lord of the Rings things because that was like what I was looking forward to. And I'm so glad that there's 2 of them. It just made my day. Oh, and the box turns into a shield. I'm doing that, guys. Doing that. And then we've got the community. What's in the mega crate? Oh, I wish I could get the mega crate. So, well, I'm guessing they've stopped doing the Secret of the Keys then. Because that seemed, yeah, there's nothing. So that must have ended. But last month I didn't get any bonus loot. When they started it, I did every challenge every month and I got like a patch. Apparently there was like a pin, I think, but it was only like the first load of people that got it right, like, done the challenges, shall I say, got it, and then they just kind of gave away these patches, which were pretty cool. I like collecting them. But then last month I didn't get anything in my box extra, and then I did the challenges again, and I've got nothing this time, and no booklet, so I'm guessing the Secret of the Keys is done and over and finished. So that's a massive shame because I really enjoyed doing those challenges, but whatever, it's like, I don't care. Right. Let's make a shield, guys. So in the inside, I forgot I haven't shown you the inside. We've got the crest here, and then there's a shield in the bottom of the box. And it says, "Hey Looter, the bottom of this box turns into a shield. Use it as is or decorate it more to represent your kingdom." That is pretty cool. Share your shield and heroic poses with us using Crate Craft. And then tells you kind of how to put the back on. So let's unfold this. Let's see what we're working with. So, right, opposite. So we've got, this must be the handle that goes on, clips onto the back, and we've got the shield. So we're gonna have to cut this out, guys. Cut this out, right? I should have got my scissors. Now peeps, be careful with scissors. Don't run. You may need an adult supervisor with you at this time if you're using scissors. I, however, do not, because I'm an adult myself. Although, if I cut myself, don't say anything. Okay, so we're left with this piece, which is just, I suppose you could cut this out and put it on your wall or something. You probably won't. Now we're left with this piece, the magical piece. Now, they always put the label on the wrong bit. Oh, dress label. Every time. Now, I won't be getting Harry Potter LootCrate this month. Sad face. As it is bi-monthly, so we'll have to wait for that awesomeness until September. Have you guys seen the Harry Potter stuff in Primark? It makes you just want to keep going back to Primark. I just went recently and got this top, Property of Hogwarts, and some Hufflepuff socks, a Hufflepuff blanket. I got all this stuff. And then last week they announced, was this week? They put loads of stuff online. Oh, there's everything. There's a satchel I want. There's loads of like cool, like there's necklaces, and there's these pins that I've wanted for ages they had in there, and every time I go to a Primark they never had them. So frustrating. There's a Hedwig pillow. I'm like, oh, living for it. So finally, to take the address label off because this is silly. Well, I'll do. Right. So we have the shield. I need to cut these bits out. Wait a minute. How am I going to get them out? The bloody address is on the back. This label, I swear to God. They just want to see the world burn. And it doesn't even come off. Oh. I'm just taking off bits of the bloody cardboard. Right, I'm just going to have to try and shove it in there. Now guys, if you have to do this... Oh, I've bent my shield! I don't like this!
I've come to the conclusion it is given up on ice. I don't want to be a carbon monoxide alarm anymore.
Hopefully when you guys, you know, if you guys make yours, if you do get LootCrate, it's not going to be this messy. I maybe could have done with smaller scissors. I think could have been good. I mean, it's not great, is it? I mean, look at that. I've done 2 holes and I'm already just like, I can't be bothered anymore. Who needs a shield? Who needs a shield? I swear to God, whoever made this label needs to just be slapped in the face. Hard with a chair. Oh, I'm going to end up breaking my shield and it's making me sad. Whoever thought, oh, that's a good idea. Let's make the shield the bit that the bloody label goes on. Because hell, why not? So finally, I have these disastrous holes in my shield. Look at the state of that. That's upset me. Right. Look at this. Fold that over. Well, I'm not quite impressed because, like, there's not really much room to get. I suppose there's enough to get 2 fingers in. Yeah, so you put the handle through the first hole. This one, fold it down and pop it into this hole and it holds it in place, so you can go to battle with no sword but you've got a shield so you can protect yourself. Yes, so that completed. That is the Kingdom, or what month are we on? August. The August Kingdom themed Loot Crate. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did. So, yes. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the box this month, and I hope it's inspired you to subscribe to LootCrate. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get it. Have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.